In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix login problems of QuickBooks Online on Chrome. If you're having trouble signing in, getting stuck on a loading screen, or being unexpectedly logged out, the issue is often with your browser rather than QuickBooks itself. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a series of simple checks and fixes you can follow in order. You can pause after each part and try it on your own screen. First, try using an incognito window in Chrome. Incognito mode runs Chrome without most extensions and uses a fresh, temporary cache. To open it, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and choose New Incognito Window. A new window with a dark background will open. In that window, go to the QuickBooks Online login page and sign in as you normally would. If it works fine there, that's a strong hint that your regular browser cache or an extension is causing the problem. Next, let's clear your cache and cookies in Chrome because old or corrupted data can prevent sites like QuickBooks from loading or logging in correctly. Click the three dots again, go to Settings, then look for Privacy and Security. Choose Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog that appears, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. You can leave other checkboxes alone if you don't want to clear everything. Choose a time range like All Time for the most thorough reset, then click Clear Data. When that finishes, close every Chrome window completely, then open Chrome again and try logging into QuickBooks Online. If things still feel stuck, you can force Chrome to restart cleanly. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome//restart and press Enter. Chrome will close and reopen all your tabs automatically. Once it reloads, go back to the QuickBooks Online login page and try signing in again. Now make sure that Chrome itself is up to date, because outdated versions can have compatibility issues with modern web apps. Click the three dots, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install any available ones. If it updates, you'll usually need to click Relaunch to finish. After relaunching, test the QuickBooks login once more. Finally, check your internet connection and your SSL settings. Make sure your connection is stable and not dropping out. If you're on a work network or using a security program, confirm that standard secure connections, including SSL and HTTPS traffic, aren't being blocked or filtered in a way that interferes with QuickBooks. Follow these steps in sequence, and in most cases, your QuickBooks Online login issues on Chrome should be resolved.